Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. We're exploring the highly anticipated 2025 Holden Torana. This iconic Australian muscle car has been revamped for the modern era, and we can't wait to dive in and explore its features. Let's get started. The 2025 Torana boasts a sleek and aggressive design, with a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a sporty rear spoiler. It's built on a robust platform, with a focus on performance and handling under the hood. The Torana packs a punch with its powerful engine options, including a range-topping V8. Expect thrilling acceleration and responsive handling on the road or track inside. The Torana features a modern and luxurious cabin, complete with premium materials, advanced infotainment, and cutting-edge safety features. The 2025 Holden Torana is a thrilling revival of an Aussie icon. With its impressive performance, stylish design, and advanced features, it's sure to turn heads on the road. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more automotive content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.